Welcome to MyGoMinds. In this video, we will see about different SQL language commands. Firstly, language commands are used to write queries. Every application have some data and this data will be stored in the database. To communicate with these databases, we need to know a language called SQL. To learn SQL, we need to have some knowledge on SQL language commands. So let's discuss about them. Different language commands are DDL commands, which is data definition language commands, DML commands, which is data manipulation language commands, and then BCL commands, which are data control language commands, and then finally there is TCL commands, which is known as transaction control language commands. Now let us discuss them one by one. What is DDL? DDL is a data definition language which is used to define the structure of the database. There are different DDL commands which are create, drop, alter, truncate, and rename. Now let us discuss them one by one. First command in DDL is create command. Create command is used to create a new table in the database. Also, to create a database, we use create command. The syntax of the create command is create table name, column 1 data type constraints, column 2 data type constraints, and we can give as many columns as we want in this. Now let us see an example of create command using MySQL workbench. We need to create a database and let us create a database named MyGoMinds. Create database MyGoMinds and then select the line and then execute it. Here we get a green symbol, then we know that the database is created. Now we need to use the database MyGoMinds. Use MyGoMinds. Select the line and then execute it. The green tick here indicates that the command is executed correctly. Now we will create a table using create command. The syntax is create table name. Let us give it as employee. Column name e-number and data type int. And then another column name e-name, data type varchar of 50, and then we give another column name salary, data type decimal. And then we select the line and execute it. We got a green tick here indicating that the table is created perfectly in the database. Now let us see the structure of the database by using DESC, describe employee. Select the line and execute it. Now we have successfully created the table and can show the structure of the table. Now let us see the next command, which is drop command. Drop command is used to remove the database or the table along with its structure name. The syntax for the drop command is drop table name. Let us see this using MySQL workbench. Since we have created the table employee, let us try dropping this table by using drop command. Drop table employee. Select the line and execute it. Here, the employee table is successfully executed. To know that if it is executed really or not, we can use again describe command. Select it and execute it. It gives an error because the employee table doesn't exist in the database MyGoMinds. Now let us see the next command, which is alter command. Alter command is used to modify the structure or properties of an existing database object. That means we can add a column to the table by using alter command, or we can drop a column from the table using alter command. The syntax to add a new column to the table is alter table name, add column name data type. Let us see this in the MySQL workbench. We'll again create the table by selecting this line and executing it. Now we'll use alter command, alter table name, which is employee, and add a column phone number. Add column name is phone number with data type begin. Select the line and execute it. Here green tick indicates that the phone number column is added to the table employee perfectly. Now let us see the structure of the employee table by executing describe employee command. We can see that the phone number column is added. Let's see the next command we can use with alter command, which is dropping a column from the table. The syntax to remove a column is alter table name, drop column name. Let us see this using MySQL workbench. Now, to delete the phone number column, we can use alter table employee, drop column number. Select the line and execute it. Now, we have successfully dropped the column phone number. For the confirmation, let us describe employee to see the structure of the employee table. Now, the phone number column is dropped from the table. Now let us see the next command, which is truncate command. Truncate command is used to remove the data within a table but without removing its structure, whereas the drop command is used to remove the data as well as the structure of the table. But truncate command is only used to remove the data. It removes all the records of the table but not its structure. Let us see the syntax of truncate command. The syntax of truncate command is truncate table name. Now let us see this in MySQL workbench. To remove all the records of the table, use truncate command, which is truncate table name, in this case employee. Select the command and execute it. We can understand that the truncate command is successfully executed. Now let us see the next command, which is rename command. Rename command is used to change the name of an existing database object. Syntax for rename command is rename current name to new name. But we also need to alter the table before using rename because it is changing the structure of the table. Let us see this in the MySQL workbench. We need to change the column name enumber to roll number. For that, we need to use rename command and alter command. The command looks like this: alter table name. Here, in this case, employee. Alter table employee. Rename column old name to new name. In this, old name is enumber. We need to change it into roll number. We need to select this line and execute it. It has executed correctly. Now we'll describe the table to see the structure of the table along with if the column has changed its name or not. Here, enumber is changed to roll number, hence we renamed the column enumber to roll number correctly. In this way, we can use DDL commands to change or modify and create and delete the structure of the table in a database. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my Go Minds. Catch you later in the next video.